Hello guys, what's up? We are back. So today something different. We will show you the top 3 hotel stays hacks. So number 1 is TV remote. In the most hotels they don't clean this very often, and this is one of the dirtiest things in hotel rooms. So what we do, especially when you have small children who put everything in their mouth. You take the bag from the ice machine or garbage bag and put remote inside. That's it. Now you can change your TV stations and it's clean. Number 2 are toothbrushes. So most of the time you put your toothbrushes like this, or if you have cup you put it inside, but the cup it's falling. So I will show you what you can do. So you take the cup, open the cup, and now on bottom you make holes like that. Put here and look,
Daddy.
it doesn't fall. Hi Noah. And now the number 3 and maybe the most important. So you know, in the hotel rooms, when you put these curtains together when you're going to sleep, you always have this gap. So look what you will do. You take the hanger, you have always this, and put them together here, here, and now you have total darkness. And that was our top 3 hotel stay hacks. Thank you all for watching, and see you next time. Bye.